The state of Texas continues to help in the search and recovery efforts in Central Texas. The death toll still stands at more than 130 people, and 100 are still believed to be missing. The flooding over the July 4th weekend is one of the deadliest natural disasters in our state's history and could become the largest. The search efforts resumed yesterday after being paused over the past few days due to rain. Building Minds in Home Preschool is helping the grandparents of one of its students who lost their home and vehicle in Central Texas floods. Our Jack Hessler has more on how the students at the preschool and some lemonade will make a difference during this time of uncertainty in this morning's Heart of the High Plains.
My parents lost their RV from the rising floodwaters from a nearby creek, and so their insurance company deemed it was a total loss. They were able to recover a few things, but not much. I mean, it was like I said, it was a total loss. They also lost the vehicle. They did lose their home.
Rich says his parents happened to be on vacation during the time and are safe, but they do not have a place to call home.
A lot of figuring out, their living situation, car situation, just some big time decisions, and those kind of decisions aren't easy. Just imagine going home to nothing. They're trying to just kind of put their life back together.
When students at the preschool heard about what happened, they wanted to know how they could help, and that is where the lemonade stand came from.
We're just hoping that everyone will come out and support the children and showing them that, they're small, but they're mighty. And, we talk all the time about having faith, and so does the grandma. And she's always talking about how God will provide if you have faith. And we just want to teach the children, if you have faith in God, good things will happen.
Rich says when they told him and his wife they were doing the lemonade stand, they were speechless.
And it's hard to put into words. Having just a simple lemonade stand and giving whatever they can, and what these students are wanting to do to help out, and the eagerness that they showed in wanting to help out during this time for people that they don't even know is amazing, and it just speaks volumes about what's happening at this school and what they want to achieve.
The lemonade stand will be tomorrow from 9:30 to 11 in the 7100 block of Gainsboro. Bridge says come on out and enjoy some lemonade and give whatever you can if you can. He says whether it's $1 or $5, anything can help out. To learn how to help the Kerrville community, you can find links to donate on myhighplains.com.